Now we have Hive installed on our machine, but we also want to change some environment variables and set up few new environment variables so that we can use it easily every time we need to. In order to do that, we will add few new environment variables in our .bash rc file or .bash underscore profile, which is saved in user's home directory. Okay, and we need to add these variables. We need a Hive home. This is a new variable, and it will point to the location where you have installed your Hive. Okay, the root directory of Hive. We also need Hadoop user class path underscore first, and it should be set to true. We need Hive auxiliary jars path. We'll point it to lib. Okay, and this is outside Hive. Basically, here if we have to use some libraries which are outside Hive installation, like third-party libraries, we can just copy those files into user local lib and use them within Hive. Okay, this is quite useful. We also need a variable called hcat underscore home, and this should point to hcatalog, which is another directory under Hive. Okay, and finally we need to update the path variable and include the bin directories of Hive home and hcat home. All right, I already have this set up, so let me open the file and show you how it looks. All right, so I have these four variables. Okay, these are the ones we just discussed, and finally we have two variables for path. Okay, that's all we need. Exit and then load these variables, and you can do that by invoking source command followed by file name. Okay, so now my environment has these new variables loaded into memory. So if I type echo $hive home, it will show you the value stored in this variable. Okay, all right, so in next lesson I'll show you how to configure some Hive properties. Okay, I'll see you there.